Hey guys, Justin here with JHart Modelworks, coming to you with another shop card shout out. We are finally back from our unplanned family trip to Ohio. We've had some family business to deal with up there, and oh my god, am I so glad to be home. I just want to relax and get some building going. But first, I want to go ahead and get some stuff taken care of that I need to take care of for quite some time. It's just been crazy. We got some shop cards. We got a shop card from Don over at JHart Modelworks. If you are not subscribed to Don, go ahead and check out his channel. Link will of course be in the description below. Don does some great work. He's got a great Throwback Thursday series as well, showing off some of his older builds, and he's does some updates on his newer stuff. He's got a 32, a green 32 that looks gorgeous. Just some great builds here, so go ahead and check out Don's channel. Again, the link will be up in the corner or down in the description below. The next shop card we have is from everybody's favorite home squatch skillet, Mr. Hensleys Hobbies, Mr. Doug Hensley. Beautiful card, brother. Thank you for the kind words on the back. I appreciate you as well. If you do not know Doug Hensley, go check him out. That man is a great builder, awesome builder, and just an awesome guy. Definitely go check him out. Description will be below. Give him some love as well. And our last shop card is going to be from Chris over at CD Scale Models. He sent me his new shop card as well. Thank you, brother, very much. I appreciate everything you said on the back there. Give Chris a check out. He hasn't been doing much lately. He's been having some problems with weather. Just absolutely not good conditions for him at all. He's been kind of stuck not building anything for about 5 or 6 months. But he is still up there, and I think he's starting to get some stuff going on. He's had some family stuff going on too. So Chris is one of my best friends, one of my best modeling buddies. Him and Sean are my favorite modeling buddies. I love doing buddy builds with those guys. Chris is kind of hard on himself. I keep trying to explain to him that he is really on, or really right at, or maybe even above my level when it comes to detail building. We have very similar build styles, and he does fantastic work. He's starting to get into the airbrush. That's going to give him some more control, and honestly, I think it's really just a matter of time and experience before he's like knocking kits out of the park. He's actually done some amazing builds. His Cobra is one of the best Cobras I've seen. It's one of my favorite Cobras personally. Definitely check out Chris. Again, all of these guys are fantastic builders. Their descriptions, or their links, will be in the description box below. Great guys, great builders. Give them a check out. So that's going to wrap it up for this one. Just a quick video just to shout out these guys, these great channels. Thank you guys for the cards. Sorry it's taken me so long. Life has been crazy for the past several weeks. So again, give these guys a check out, and I'm going to get back to working on the 240, so I can hopefully get an update on that for you guys very soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Later.